Now, funny question. Pepsi has to drink tea or coffee, Fanta has to drink tea or coffee, and Coke has to drink tea or coffee. They all have dinner together, and after dinner, they order one drink. Conditions given are if Pepsi orders coffee, Fanta and Coke order same drink. Means it can be coffee, or it can be tea. If Pepsi orders coffee, the other two are same. If Pepsi orders coffee, other two have to be same. Look, it's critical reasoning. If when we say Pepsi orders coffee, other two are same, it does not mean if other two are same, it has to be coffee. Inverse is not true. Now, if if Coke orders coffee, Fanta does not order the drink which Pepsi orders. If Coke is coffee, the other two are different. It can be tea coffee or coffee tea. They have to be different. And lastly, if Fanta orders tea, other two have to be same. It can be tea or this thing. Look, we have written this is the first condition according to, this is second condition according to that, and third. Look what the question given says here. First, let's understand when we say when Pepsi orders coffee, Fanta and Coke are same. It does not mean if Pepsi is tea, Fanta and Coke are going to be different. It does not mean that way. It does not mean if Fanta and Coke are same, then Pepsi has to be coffee. It's wrong. Maybe, may not be. Simply if Pepsi is coffee, other two are same. They may be or may not be. It's as simple as this. When I say if you study hard, you are going to top. If you study harder, you are surely going to top. But you topped does not mean you studied hard. Maybe, may not be. So converse, let's not try to use. Let's first check. First condition says if Pepsi is coffee, other two have to be same. Second condition says if Coke is coffee, other two have to be different. And if Fanta is tea. Let's check out everything for every condition. Now let's check out this. We'll be checking everything for condition 1. Condition 1 says if Pepsi is coffee, other two are same. Here Pepsi is tea, other two may be same, may not be same. It will work. Here Pepsi is coffee and other two are different. So this is not going to work according to condition 1. This is not going to work according to condition 1 because condition 1 says if Pepsi is coffee, other two have to be same, they cannot be different. So this will not work according to condition 1. If this is tea, they may be same, may not be same. Now again, if we check out this one, condition 1 says if Pepsi is coffee, the other two have to be same. Here they are different. Again, according to condition 1, this is not going to work. So we have checked everything for condition 1. Now let's check everything for condition 2. Condition 2 says if Coke is coffee, other two have to be different. Here Coke is coffee, other two are same. Look, condition 2 says if Coke is coffee, other two have to be different. They are same here. This will not work according to condition 2. If it's tea, it may be same or different, it will work. It's tea or it may be same or different. We'll check everything for condition 3. Condition 3 says if Fanta is tea, other two have to be same. That's what condition 3 says. If Fanta is tea, other two have to be same. What do we get here? Fanta is tea and other two are different. No, condition 3 says according to condition 3 it is wrong. Now These two satisfy everything according to conditions, all the conditions given. Means it can be tea, coffee, or it can be tea, tea. It can be tea. So these two things satisfy everything according to all the conditions given. So what we know is Fanta may be coffee, or maybe tea. Coke may be coffee or may not be, maybe tea. But surety is always, Pepsi is always going to order tea. We'll quickly solve it again here, what we did. What all was given was Pepsi, Fanta and Coke. 3 persons, they order a drink. First condition says if Pepsi is Coke, Pepsi is coffee, other two are same. Now, it can be tea or it can be coffee. Now, second condition says if Coke is coffee, other two are different, tea or coffee or tea. Third condition says if Fanta is tea, other two have to be same. Now, let's check everything for all the conditions. Now, if we check this thing, Pepsi is coffee, other two are this. If we go by condition 2 says, condition 1, condition 2. Condition 2 says if condition 2 says if Coke is coffee, other two have to be different. Here Coke is coffee and other two are same. So this will go wrong. This will be right according to condition 2. I repeat. Coffee, tea. Now, if we check out condition 3 says if Fanta is tea, other two have to be same. Fanta is tea, other two are different. According to condition 3, it will not work. Now, if we check this part, according to 1 it satisfies, but condition 2 says if Coke is coffee, other two have to be different. According to condition 2, it's not going to work out. Now, we are checking out this for all the other conditions. Condition 2, we have already satisfied. Condition 1 says Pepsi is coffee, then the other two should be same. Tea, same, may not be same. But now, if we check out this for condition, this satisfies condition 1. Condition 3 says if Fanta is tea, other two have to be same. So it satisfies all the conditions. Check out this one. Now, if we go by condition 1, it says if Pepsi is coffee, other two have to be same. Here they are different. So according to condition 1, it's not possible. Let's check this one for all the conditions. Condition 1 is for Pepsi coffee. This is not, so it may work. Condition 2 is for Coke coffee. So it is going to work in all the cases. And if we check out this here now, what it says is if first condition says if Pepsi is coffee, other two have to be same, other two are different. So this will go wrong according. So the only two which satisfy all the 3 conditions, this and this. So in any case, the person who always orders the same thing is Pepsi, he always orders tea. So the person is Pepsi and he always orders tea. Pepsi always orders